Hello folks, I'm back out in the garage again today as usual. I'm going to try to finish welding this panel in. I got a kind of a funny message from a long-time friend of mine that knew me back in Germany in my drag racing days. He said, "John, your welding sure has gone downhill." Well, yeah, it would look that way with the welds that I put down yesterday. But like I said yesterday, this is I called it a plasma welder. It's actually a flux welder, and it's completely new to me. I bought it for $100, and yeah, it sticks metal together, but it's not quite as good as what a normal MIG welder would be. So I've got a little bit of getting used to, the settings and stuff like that. But from what I can see, I don't think it's ever going to be quite as pretty as a MIG weld would be. But I gotta work with what I work with, what I have. So anyway, I'll get this start welding on this and let you watch me screw it up. Okay, I thought I'd bring you in and show you what I've got so far. This flux core welder is probably one of the dirtiest welders I've ever seen. And I knew it was, but I've never really tried to weld with this thing on anything that mattered. Sticking two pieces of metal together that really didn't matter is different than trying to do body work. But this thing, it leaves splatter all over the place, and I mean it comes off pretty easy, but it's just not pretty. This is the longest run I've had, and I really won't know what it looks like until I take the grinder to it. But I mean, it feels pretty even anyway, so I'm not getting any metal warpage. But down here, it looks like a 8th grader might have done it. I'm ashamed to say that I did that, but I did. Anyway, I got to try to clean that up, and then I'll grind all this down and show you what it looks like so far, especially this long run here. But I got a long ways to go. Yep. Okay, well, I'll get back at it. I'll grind that down and show you what it looks like. Okay, I ground down what I've got done so far. I'll bring you in nice and close so that you can see how this looks. As you can see, the panels fit together really nice. Unfortunately, the welder does this kind of stuff. That kind of messes up a nice fitting panel. But here you got a piece of wire that just went rogue. There you go, comes off. But that long run that I made, actually the weld was ugly, but once you hit it with the grinder, it cleans up pretty good. Now once I get everything welded, I'm going to have to go across the whole top of the panel to get all them little BBs off, that slag that, or those spatter that comes up. So I'll have to do that too. I'm assuming when I get down here where the holes are, or the panel didn't fit quite as nice, I'll probably have to do a lot of fill welding with that, and that's not easy to do with this welder. See here where it burnt through? And it might be because of the rust and stuff on this area. That might have been where that one hole was, or one of them. But anyway, I'm anticipating more of that. So I'll get back at it and let you watch me mess it up some more.
Yeah, here comes the gator. Whompy. Don't come back now, you know. Swampy. Croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole, going to the croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole. We're going to the croaker hole, we're going today. We're going to the croaker hole, we'll see what they say. Croaker hole, croaker hole, going to the croaker hole, we'll see what they say. Croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole, going to the croaker hole, we'll see what they say. We went last week and the week before. My brother and me, well, we just couldn't score. We caught a bunch of spade fish, toadfish, catfish galore. I think this croaker hole is just a folklore. Croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole, going to the croaker hole, we'll see what they say. Going to the croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole, going to the croaker hole, we're going today. Dad said we were just missing the mark. He said we will catch 'em if we line up right. A boat with the dock just a little to the left, a little off the channel and just the right depth. Croaker hole, croaker hole, croaker hole. Dad's going fishing with us today. We're going to the croaker hole, we'll see what he say. If he finds his mark, we'll catch croakers, no doubt. We'll be frying fish tonight, I'm here to shout. Now he guarantees we'll catch croakers if the tide's right, if the moon's in the right phase, if the wind ain't too strong, if the boat don't move around too much, if we're quiet, if...
Okay, I think I'm almost done. Everything's pretty good. There's some small holes, like right there. I don't really think this area here is low. It's one of the few parts of the panel that didn't quite meet up correctly. But it is well welded, just no holes down through all the way through the panel that I can tell. So that would all easily be filled with body filler. There's a hole there. Some pinholes right along in here. Yeah, little pinholes all along. There's another one. I'll probably go back through and just hit those real quick with the spot welder, or with the welder. This all area here is also, like down at the other end, that part of the panel is lower, so that'll all be filled. There is one pinhole right there that I need to fill, and a couple of over here. But for the most part, cleaned up pretty good, and I'm happy with the way it came out. I'm not happy with the kind of welder I'm using, but anyway, that's what I've got so far. I'll probably call it a day and fill those pinholes, address those later on when I start or get done putting the other two panels in, and then I'll go back and address them all, because I know there's going to be a whole bunch of them on those panels too. So I'm going to do a little outro here real quick, and then we'll call this one done. Okay, I guess you see me making enough sparks and stuff that's brighter than sunshine for one video. Hopefully I haven't bored you too bad with it. My buddy Jamie is right. My welding skills are not what they used to be, I guess. Either that or it's just this machine. But anyway, regardless, we got it done. That's what counts, I guess. But if you would, like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you think I'm doing it wrong, tell me. I'm willing to hear it all. But again, for now, I'm calling it a night, and I apologize for all the noise from the rain hitting on the roof, but I can't help the weather. You all have a good evening and or day whenever you watch this, and please come back and see some more. Thank you. Bye.
It's fresh. Bait.